Hello guys, welcome to IndianExpress.com and we are back here with our Big Boss 10 yesterday's episode review. And today we'll be talking about Swami Om yet again because he hogged all the limelight yesterday since he is declared as a thief in the house. But the main thing is that much is happening in the house after the challengers have come in the house. So we'll see what Kriti has to say about it.
Yeah, exactly. The Big Boss ka house has become more vibrant and full of people now.
Yeah.
Because there are 4 new faces in the house.
Yeah, actually there are 14 people in the house now.
Yeah, exactly. So thoda bahut happening ho gaya hai. There are different jits and things happening here and there in the house. But sabke bawajood jo limelight hai, we can say ki still Manu and Manveer ke upar hai.
Yeah, because they are involved, I think, in everything that happens in the Big Boss house.
That also makes me talk about Sahil, जो एक नया participant है, but कहीं ना कहीं he's trying a lot कि वो he also fits in to make the situation calm.
Yeah, he's trying to वो screen time बढ़ाना चाह रहा है अपना या फिर कुछ भी कर रहा है, but he's trying to stay in front of the cameras.
Totally.
And then we cannot miss to talk about Swami Om's robbery.
Yes, exactly. उनके बैग में से काफी सारे शैम्पू के bottles and a lot of things which we are sure he might not be using it.
Yeah, definitely. Then Lopamudra's perfumes and other toiletries which he stole. Now we don't know exactly why he stole them, but yes, he did.
Yeah.
And Manveer, it was Manveer and Manoj Punjabi, the sons of Swami Om, who revealed, who busted all the secrets of Swami Om. And there was another interesting reason which Swami gave for stealing spoons. He was like, मुझे असुर शक्तियों से दूर रहना है, इसलिए मैं
I don't know what black magic he's doing in the house, but
yeah,
something he's doing or trying to do for himself.
And next, I think, which got my attention was a fight between Priyanka Jagga and Mona Lisa.
Yeah.
I think the two
and
women...
Probably Manoj and Manu are the, the link between the two.
And I think they will be the peacemakers also.
Yeah.
And I don't think that they become the next Bani and Lopamudra of the house.
Okay.
And both of them were fighting only for Manoj Punjabi. I don't know why the guy interests both the ladies, but yes, he is doing.
And Arushi, we just can't miss that कल हमारी captain है रोहन, उनसे उनकी captaincy छीन ली गई, because obviously we have seen him that he was there for 2 consecutive weeks, but he has not done any substantial thing in the house. अभी भी fights हो रहे हैं.
Moreover, the reasons he gave for not performing are completely not acceptable actually. Totally. He tells that अरे Big Boss बोलेंगे तो होगा, अरे तो तुम्हें क्यों captain बनाया?
That makes very clear कि घर वाले भी उसको they were not taking him very seriously as a captain. So which is unlikely. So आज upcoming episode में we will see कि नया captain कौन बनता है, and there will be a round. And
we'll see that there will be a tiff between Manoj Punjabi and Manveer for captaincy. So stay tuned and find out what happens next in the Big Boss house. Thanks for watching.